How to make a PayPal for art commissions. Now, the first thing that you need to do, or I highly suggest doing, is making a new Gmail account. Just so your commissions or whatever you're doing doesn't get confused up into your personal emails. So you can keep a better track of your clients. Now, when it comes to the PayPal itself, you can either set up a business account or a personal account. The only real difference with a business account is that the business account lets you issue invoices. A personal account is completely fine. Even when it comes to paying taxes, PayPal will present zero trouble when it comes to that. But with a business account, you can issue invoices. Otherwise, if someone wants to pay you through a personal account, you're gonna send them your link. So for example, let's go to the settings here, go to account. And here I have a link that I set up. So when someone goes to this link, they choose the amount that they want to give me. Of course, with an invoice, they have to give you exactly what you asked for on the invoice. Now you can either send your clients this link right here, or you can just send them the email that you registered PayPal to. So you just send them the primary email. Now, if you're under 18, you can't make a PayPal account because you can't connect a card to it. So I would suggest asking your parents to create a PayPal account for you in their name. However, keep in mind that when using PayPal, clients are able to see your real name or the name of your parents. So just be wary of that. Also, another thing that I would suggest you doing is not to keep your money on PayPal. Withdraw the money whenever you can directly to your bank account and keep it there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.